In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list dropshipping products on eBay. We'll walk through the listing process from the seller dashboard all the way to publishing your product, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along easily. To begin, go to eBay and open the Sell section. This is where you manage your products, drafts, and active listings. If you're planning to build a dropshipping store, this area will become your main workspace, so it's good to get comfortable here first. Once you're inside the seller area, click on Create Listing. This starts a brand new product listing and takes you to the page where eBay helps identify what you want to sell. Using this tool can save time because eBay may suggest existing product details that match your item. Next, type the product into the search field. Be as accurate as possible when entering the product name because better search terms usually lead to better matches. This helps eBay pull up the closest existing product listing or catalog option for the item you want to add. After that, click the same match, meaning the option that best fits the product you're listing. This step is important because choosing the correct match can automatically fill in some product details for you and make the listing process faster and more consistent. Once you've selected the right product match, click on Continue. eBay will then move you forward to the next setup screen. Now, select the condition of the product. This part matters because the item condition affects buyer expectations and can influence whether your listing performs well. Make sure the condition you choose accurately reflects the product you're offering. After selecting the condition, click on Continue again. This will open the main listing editor where you'll complete the core product details before publishing. From here, enter the product information. This is where you review and complete the listing details shown on the page. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate, especially anything that could affect the buyer's understanding of the item. Clear and correct information helps reduce confusion and can improve trust in your listing. When everything looks good and you've finished entering the product information, click on List It. This publishes the product to eBay and makes your listing live. And that's it. That's how you list dropshipping products on eBay using eBay's built-in listing flow. As a final tip, always double check your details before publishing so your listing is accurate and professional from the start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.